So I'm like bored as fuck, and I decided to make a video on why the fuck aren't these hoes taking baths? Like, I understand why homeless people don't take baths and people without a source of water, but I mean, if you live in a house with soap and water, I mean, even cold water, you can wash up. There's no excuse. But especially if you live in a house with hot water, why aren't you taking a bath? I mean, I just don't get it. I don't get why people don't take baths. I mean, what's the point? I mean, myself, I don't even want to smell myself. So why would I want to smell other people? And I mean, around my apartment, it is free water out here. So why the fuck aren't you taking a bath? If you live in fucking Eastgate, why the fuck aren't you taking a bath? It's free water. I just don't get it. I just don't. I mean, these hoes walking around with pussy smelling like raw tuna fish. Yet you took a bath? Bitch, I doubt it. Whew. So, I mean, it would really help if you would just take a bath.